Nighttime, daytime. All right, guys, so here we are. We are probably like 95, 99% done with the shop. We got a few more things to finish up. I'll show you those in a few minutes. I just want to do a quick walk around to show you guys what's been done since last time. Last time you guys saw this, we had just the plywood up. We had no door, no lights. You can see we got a floodlight up there. No vinyl around everything. I don't think we even had a door yet. But since then we got a door installed. You can see here we got power run to it. Power goes straight up into there. We got to still fill in this hole here. It's been a little while. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post updates, but I haven't made a video in a little while just because got life and work stuff going on. So yeah, this is the back side. We got a little cable, little outlet here. I'm going to run cable out here so we can get internet, so I can have a network going. What else? Anything else up? I think pretty much we finished the whole outside since the last video you guys saw. If we move inside, it's dark. Let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. Power. We got 3 8-foot LED bars. It is super bright in here. It's like my old shop I had. Still a little bit of echo in here. But yeah, here it is. You can see I have started painting around. I have to finish it, but as you guys probably already know, IMTS is coming up next week, so I'm getting ready for that for my day job. We have insulation all around in the walls with the OSB board up. We also got everything put up there, all the boards, attic access. There's also insulation on the top. Garage doors obviously installed. 8 foot. This is going to be, I'm trying to get it painted, and once I get it painted, we'll start moving stuff in here. You can see I got all the outlet covers off with all the paint. I still need to get this wired up. This is the 220. I got one here, and I got one over there you can see on the wall. That's for the air compressor. That's something I need to upgrade too, so that's coming in the next couple weeks. So yeah, it's pretty much all done. It's just more cosmetic stuff we need to get done. Just want to give you guys a quick update. I know it's been a while. I've been super busy with life, but hopefully I can turn my focus back to, you know, home shop stuff. That way we can have some more fun. So if you guys got any questions, let me know in the comments below, or, you know, shoot me a message. Yeah, hopefully I'll give you guys an update, or if you're not, you know, follow me on Instagram. I've got more updates on there than on YouTube, and I'm sure too with IMTS I'll be, you know, updating daily if you guys like machines or other stuff, other nerdy stuff like that. So yeah, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.